Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover your Netflix account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open App Store, search for Netflix right over here. And once you've done that, click on this application, download and install it onto your device. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open, and on the top right hand side of your screen there's going to be a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Now since you already forgot your password and want to go ahead and recover it, simply tap on this forgot password button down over here, and once you do that, it's going to take you to the Netflix.com. As you can see, it's going to take you to a website where you can simply go ahead and update password, email, or phone. In order for you to go ahead and reset your password, you need to either have your phone number or your email connected to it. So simply go ahead and enter your email or phone number, and then they'll send you a text message or an email with a code, and then all you have to do is just enter the code back here and it'll let you create your password. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the